Hello lovely people, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you change your phone number in Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat application. And after opening the Snapchat, just simply go to your profile by clicking to the bit emoji into top left corner of your Snapchat. Step 2. Go to the settings and find mobile number option. Now after coming to your Snapchat profile, just tap to the gear option into the top right corner. It will lead you to the settings of Snapchat. And after coming here, you can see your mobile number option into here. Just simply tap into that. Step 3. Change the mobile number. Now after coming to mobile number section, just simply erase the mobile number that you are currently using in your Snapchat, and after that enter a new phone number that you want to link now. And after entering the phone number, just simply click to the green verify button. You can choose options to get OTP. Just choose one that you feel comfortable with. And after selecting the method, Snapchat will send you a code into your number. You just simply have to enter the code in here. Now after entering the code, you just simply have to enter your password in here and then click to continue. By following these very easy steps, you can also change your phone number in your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.